Hello guys, welcome to day 123 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to study about this method in JavaScript, which yesterday I asked you guys to explain it for me if you know. And today I'm going to read about this method in the comment section, and also I'm doing some search on Google in order to find out what is this exactly, because it's so confusing, and that's it. Let's get started to search about this term. All right, so I'm going to read your comments about this. So the first comment is said this keyword is useful when you want to access the element of your parent context. With parent context, what I mean is the context in which the function is defined, in which you are using this. So again, with parent context, what I mean is the context in which the function is defined and in which you are using this keyword to access the element defined in your parent context scope, which is elements defined outside your function. For example, if you use this keyword as it is, like let ABC equal this, then in this case this keyword will point towards the window object, because the context of Windows object is the parent here, and if you use it in a function, then you will be able to access the element defined outside your function. Understood? I'm not sure. If not, then I will try to make it more simpler for you, and the best luck. Thank you, dear friend. Okay, something I understood about this is that I can use this method to connect to outside of function. Let's read other comments as well so we can conclude something. This is very confusing. I learned a few months ago and it's still confusing for me, but my tip would be practice this keyword by making functions, and I used arrays and objects to practice it. So I'm not still ready to practice this because I still don't know what is mean of this. When we are in an object in JavaScript, then we use this keyword to access their properties or functions of that object. So this is a little more clear. We can access the properties of that functions, right? Again, then we use this to access their properties or functions of that object. Okay, forget about this for now. This depends on a lot of factors: strict mode, ES module, function, arrow, function, and etc. You can also bind any object to this using function prototype bind. I think I need to learn about this for now, and then I can learn about this new method, because I don't know this one. ether. Efficient loops by I learned faster command completion in the normal way. Comments. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. I'm going to answer all of the comments, guys, but right now, because I am in pressure of my final exams in university, my priority is to focus on my study right now. I have lack of free time, so excuse me if I cannot answer all the comments for now, but for sure I will answer all of them later, and these comments are really important for me. Thank you, guys. I think this is an example. Const user. First of all, I don't know what is const, but let's go to C. User equal to a name Jack, age 33, high function. Console log. Height of this name is 5 inch. This name. You can see in object we have a function, and in that function we want to use name of the user in that function. If you just write name function, we'll see in full file, but if you use this, it will understand that find name in object user. Let's see if I figure it out right. So we have a function here, and we say this, that's name. So when we say this, the computer will search for something that called name, and it will return the properties of the name as here the erosion said, when we use an object in JavaScript, then we use this keyword to access their properties or functions of that object. So here the properties is Jack, and when we say this, so it means the name of the Jack, the properties. But why we use it, why we don't use the name itself, you can see in object we have a function, and in object we have a function. What was object? Let's search object. What is the meaning of object in JavaScript? I forgot it. I already learned about it, but I forgot it. We need internet connection. What happened? Okay. Let's figure out what is the problem here. We have connection. Okay. An object is a collection of properties, and a property is an association between a name and a value. Collection of properties, and a property is an association between a name or key and a value. So this is the object, right? This is the object. We can see in object we have a function. This is the function, right? And in that function here, we want to use name of the user in that function. If you just write name function, we'll see in full file. But if you use this, it will understand that find name in object user. I don't get this part here. I don't get it. If you just write name function, we'll see in full file. So if I type name, this is a good answer, but this part of answer a little bit is confusing. We'll see in full file. So if I have like 100 line of codes, if I type name, it will search for the whole code. So it will search in the whole 100 lines of code for the term of name. But if I say this, it will only search this part of my codes. So it will help me to find the answer more quickly. And if one day I want to create a website, I think this method will help me to make a better SEO of my website. So this is what I concluded from this comment. This is great comment. Thank you. I cannot spell your name. Sorry for that. I don't know. Thank you anyway. Okay, let's dig in more information from the comments and see if we can learn more. But this comment, I think, helped me to figure out the answer. Okay, I'm not sure what tooth you are following, but this keyword is usually tied to classes and objects. It requires more practice. Keep going. Thank you. I don't think you can understand this right now, but later it will help you. Let's figure it out, brother Oshan. Constructor function car. So we have a function, its name is car, and it have two variable, car name, car speed. This that name equal to car name. This that speed equal to car speed. This that run function return car is running. Little bit confusing. This name car name. So here we just assigned this name to a variable, this speed to a variable, and this run to a function, and that function return car is running. So this is a string. Let BMW equal to new car. So new car have two variables. Console log BMW that name. BMW. Console log BMW that speed. 300. BMW that run. Car is running. So as we read here, it will return a properties. This will return a property. So here should bring it, return a properties. BMW.name. As you mentioned, Roshan, I think I cannot understand the logic behind this code, but thank you for explaining it. Thank you so much. Let's see if I can make some practice and figure it out by myself, if I can. Example of this method in JavaScript. The JavaScript, this keyword. Okay. Let's see what is this construction in JavaScript. Is a keyword used to declare a variable that cannot be reassigned a new value. Similar to let, but the value of a const variable cannot be changed once it has been declared. What is declared mean? Let me use Google Translate. Declare. Announce. Declare mean announce, right? Announce. Okay. Is a keyword used to announce a variable so it's something that we cannot change the value of it, I think. So const person equal to first name, last name, ID, full name, and the full name is a function. And in that function, so one question has been arised right now is, should I always use this in a function? Because in your comments also you guys used it in a function, I think. So right here it's used in a function. Let's see the Roshan example. So where is this? Here. It's also used in a function as well. Can I use this method outside of a function? Can method be defined outside of a class? So let's come back to our here. Return this first name plus a string, which is a space blank. This last name. Try it yourself. So before I check the results, let's find out. Let's guess. So it will say John space Doe. John Doe. Right? So John Doe. So let's practice for ourselves. Let me check how much time I have. I still have 5 minutes. Let's try it by myself. So here, source, index. Let's practice here. So we have to say something const person, and we give it some information and a function. So const like car. Or my YouTube channel. So I created a const that cannot change the variable, and here we create some information like current subscribers equal to 317. We have to say equal, or we have to say 2 points. So 2 points. It should be a string. And what else? We use one car. Function. We want to create a function which called blob. And in that function, we say return this, or you have to say I have return string. I have this current sub plus, so a plus has been needed here as well, plus space should be in a string. Nope, it doesn't need this string. So plus I have space and space is views plus space views. So is everything okay? It looks like we didn't created a something called, I don't know, comma. Oops. Missing initializer. So equal to this control enter unexpected token. So this should be a comma, a normal comma, I think. A normal comma, a normal comma, a normal comma. Unexpected full name dot point. So here I have to say block function parentheses. Let's check out the results. Still we have errors. Unexpected token here. So why it's been here? Press enter. Unexpected token. Why, dude? So between all of this, it have a normal comma, but here it have these guys. Still didn't learn the logic behind this, but let's just copy and paste this here and here. Control it. Still getting this error. If I use the whole of this code, is it still working here? Undefined. So maybe I have to use console log here. Okay, 30 minutes of practice tonight. I think I figured out the logic behind this method, but I still don't know how exactly I should use it in my code. So maybe I need to check the next lesson from my course, so it might explain it more better in the next videos. I still don't know about it, but I'm going to flag this for myself. I'm going to check this for myself, and later I'm going to come back in the next videos, maybe about I watch 10 videos more and see if there's more information of them, and then coming back to this method and digging more information about how can I use it. All right, guys, that was today's lesson from myself, today practice. See you guys tomorrow.